Okay, I have not done a video for quite some time, shame on me, but welcome to 448 East Telegraph Street, number 109. This particular park model home here has 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms, and it's about 760 some odd square feet, and I'm going to take you on a brief tour. Hold on tight, folks, here we go. So this part, the original structure was built in 1993. This piece right here was actually added on in 2004. So what this does, it's very unique, is it provides this extra, all this room right here, and it provides a second bathroom, which I don't think too many of these others, if any, have a second bathroom. So check that out. A little shower there. And then just the space itself. So it's a good space. Has a nice closet right here. Now that door right there, it actually goes out to the back patio, and that's where the laundry is in a shed. I'm not going to show you that, but that's what it does. And then we go down to into the hall. This is the main structure, the original structure. We have the kitchen right here to my left, and the original living room around with the dining area right here. And then as we turn back around, try to do that without making you sick, we've got the bedroom right here. See the nice shutters and all that stuff. Now also in this bathroom, which you can also access from the hall, this tub is jetted, and that also is an upgrade that these folks brought into it. So 1 bedroom, 2 baths, about 767 square feet roughly. And who do you know that might want to make this beautiful park model a retirement home? Give me a call. Thanks a lot.